I'm just going to do a quick video on my gear for the MASSIV Ruta trail in Norway. I'll put a link in the description below about what it is. So just going to be a quick one. What I'm using, these are Hoka Anacapa trail runner shoes, lightweight Gore-Tex. I've worn them a few times in dry weather, very nice, very comfortable. But that's personal choice for people. Decent shoes, decent quality, I'm happy with them. We've got a Haglofs Rock down hood, quite lightweight, I think something like 350 grams, two side pockets, quite like the colour as well. So that's my sort of warm layer, you might say. Fjallraven Abisko light trousers, nice, quite lightweight, they dry very quick. I generally don't wear shorts due to sun damage. I've never been into that, so I'm always a trouser wearer really. They're fairly nice, comfortable to wear anyway. These are my waterproof trousers or pants, Innovate trail runner pants. They're very lightweight. I have to say they feel very delicate, but they're just really for now and again if it really is chucking it down with rain. About 70 grams or so I think those are. This is Haglofs Lim 2.5 layer Gore-Tex rain jacket. I've tried it a few times, very nice. It's a really good wind blocker as well. Lightweight again. Lim series, less is more from Haglofs. I like this. Various clothes. Well, you can see what that is. I generally always wear merino wool base layer. This is from Icebreaker. Nice, lightweight, warm, dries pretty quick. Two t-shirts. These are both Mammut A Energy FL. Very lightweight, treated against odours. Long sleeve one and a short sleeve one. Pair of fingerless gloves, a buff, these are actually synthetic leggings. I'm going to be taking my merino wool ones, synthetic base layer those are. Some underwear, two pairs of actual merino wool liner socks from Bridgedale. Very comfortable, nice, thin. They work well with these kind of very soft shoes. You don't get much rubbing. There's not really any need for a very heavyweight sock in them, so they work well together. An ordinary pair of slightly thicker hiking socks, Bridgedale. Again, I think it's something like a 30% merino wool, 30% polyester. I've used them on and off for years and they last long, nice, comfortable, pretty warm. These are an old pair of Crag Hoppers, which is a UK brand, very thin trousers, which They don't make them anymore, and I've found nothing similar of a similar weight. They're about 200 grams, but they're just for an extra pair if I'm washing my other Fjallravens, or you know, they get filthy and I need something else to put on sleeping if it gets a bit cold and so on. Sleeping bag, Alpkit Pipe Dream 400. This is a down bag, weighs about 750 grams. They're relatively cheap for a down bag. I've been in this, I've had this 2 or 3 years, probably 3 years now. They can quite easily go down to 2 or 3 centigrade with no other real clothing on, so you can increase that with whatever clothing you're going to wear in the sleeping bag or base layers. Fairly decent bag, cheap at the price. I think now they're about 240 Great British pounds. Most of the other stuff you're looking at in this range, you're into the 350 GBP and upwards for a new down bag, but it's done me well and I'm quite happy with it. Terra Nova laser compact one. I bought this really for lightweight trails, like what I'm doing. Should say lightweight trekking, because normally I use a Hilleberg. I've forgotten the name now, I'll put it in the description. The one person Hilleberg, but this is considerably lighter, about 700 grams lighter, more compact. I've used it a few times, very happy with it. This will probably be just a stuff sack for this, because it's more waterproof than the original sort of bag that it comes in. Thermarest Neo Air X Lite. It's not the new one that's just been released, it's the one previous. This is, I think, 4.2 R rating or 4.9 R rating, I can't remember. Used it a few times, quite happy with it. It's a bit crinkly and a bit noisy, but I'm pretty happy with that. This is an Atom Packs EP 50 plus 50 litre lightweight bag. That's just baggage tag for when I'm travelling. Made in the UK. This one I had custom colours. Relatively simple bag. It does have a stiffening hoop in the back, a little bit of padding, simple hip buckle, simple bag, lightweight, approximately 670 grams, 2 side pockets, an actual pouch on the bottom that you can stuff things in as you walk, adjustable mesh back. Nice bag, used it a few times, very happy with it, good company. On this as well I have actually an extra, which is the little hip belt pocket for bits and pieces. But that's the bag.